Don't. You're going to get her crying. We don't want that. Ooh, I'm hot. Are you
Me
hot?
too.
Okay, I got the air on.
Oh no, what's the
Well, they're not laughing at you. We're going to go to Rite Aid. I'm going to drop your prescription off. Then we're going to pick up your Frosty. Don't stick your tongue out. You'll bite it. We're going to go put your prescription in so they can fill it.
Why did I do this on my birthday?
Because you want to do?
What I did?
Yeah. I asked you.
I'm so stupid.
Yes, I asked if you want me to change it, and you said no. Leave it alone.
I should be celebrating. I'm sorry, I'm sad.
Kayla.
Backwards, trying to back up out of the parking lot.
Tell him
Your hand's far. Your hand's far.
I
Okay,
can
your
hit
hand's
her. I
far.
can hit it.
Kayla, tell him you said hey. Say hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Tell him you love them.
I love all you guys. All of it. Every bit single one.
All of them? Are you sure? Do you know who you follow, right?
Okay. It's a fast shot.
What?
It's a fast shot.
Yeah, you're right.
You stop making that face beside me.
Don't make fun of her. She's what she said.
Oh, dear.
Did you tell the doctors you wanted to sit beside me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Is this for Rite Aid?
Put your tongue in your mouth.
On this, I think yeah, it's on the street. It's on the street.
Do you know you look beautiful? I'm not playing.
Stop. You know you're lying. Shut up. I told you it's the Rite Aid is.
Okay, I'm going to Rite Aid, then we're going to get Frosty.
Yay, Frosty. Oh, but you ain't fish fries.
I'll give you a Frosty for your birthday.
You
You want the largest one you could get? You want the biggest one? Okay, we'll make it the biggest one for your birthday. Biggest Frosty.
Put your tongue in your mouth.
Stop. I'm so worried about more.
Casey, your turn's coming. Casey has to do the same thing. But you're
This is always home.
Casey.
Kayla, put your tongue in your mouth.